Assalamualaikum and thank you for watching. Okay, today I'm going to show you an additional setup to what I've done in the previous video. This is to explore how you can move around using your phone. Yeah, I put my phone, my old phone here, um, as uh, as a secondary webcam. Okay, now let me show you how if I were to transition from this integrated webcam to my mobile phone webcam. Let's see if it works. Okay, now what you see here is the visual captured from my smartphone. I'm using my smartphone as the secondary webcam. So if you have this, then it will make it easier for you to move around and possibly show. Um, and this is the tissue box that I used to put my camera there. Okay, you can move around, and because this is connected via the Wi-Fi, so as long as you have Wi-Fi connection, you will be able to move around the area and bring and show, because the problem with webcams is that it cannot zoom in, I mean zoom in, zoom out. It's not mobile because it's usually connected to a cable. So by setting up your phone as a webcam, your smartphone, I recommend to use your old smartphone, not your current smartphone. You can remove the SIM card and whatnot. Just leave the Wi-Fi setting on, and I'm using this apps called DroidCam. Yeah, that's the title of it. It's called DroidCam. So I install the apps on my mobile device, and then also the client on your on the laptop, so it can read the web. You can read the webcam. So from there, you can actually see how it's connected. Now, the advantage of this, like I said, is if you're going to move around and show things, like say for example, I want to show a close-up of, I'm using this bracket as a means of holding it stable. Let's say if I wanted to zoom in into my keyboard, I can take up the smartphone and change my uh, video source, and you should be able to see um, what I want to show you. Okay, you see that? And let's say, for example, somebody asked me what's the purpose of using a dual monitor. So what you can do with a dual monitor is, for example, if I were to show a PowerPoint presentation, so this is what I will be able to see. On the screen here would be my Zoom, so I can still see the participants and whatnot, while the presentation is on the other screen, and I can, uh, you know, so I can speak and talk and observe both the slides and the Zoom, that other Zoom apps that I can see here. Okay, so basically that's a simple video on how you can have a slightly better setting for yourself when you do your online training. Explore with it, hope it works, and let you know how it goes. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stay safe.